So here we are in California, Santa Monica
At the
Beach. This is a couple hours before our flight. Actually a few hours before our flight, but it takes a while to drive through all the traffic, so we have to leave pretty soon. But had to come down to the beach and just take this short clip because it's so amazing. I mean, it's so amazing. And Jesus walked down here with us, and it feels amazing because he feels amazing. And here's these little seagulls that are walking right by us, not bothered. And look at these there's little babies running around. I don't know if you can see them. They're little tiny babies running up the sand there. Oh my gosh. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? They let you walk by them. They don't seem too bothered by it. But, I mean, it sounds amazing. Jesus, you just did this in beautiful. I mean, it's just amazingly beautiful. Look, I mean, the ocean. You can't even see the end of it. And here, I feel Jesus just standing right by me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for providing for us to come out here, and thank you for everything that you did, giving us what we need for the 911 restoration. I mean, you're just amazing. You did miracles. You're doing miracles. And this is awesome. I didn't take my boots off. It's a little nippy out here. Not really. I mean, not like New Mexico, but so just to give you just a minute of flavor of this amazing body of water. Oh, and they just came back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the water. Oh, let's go get some water. Oh, let's see, what can we eat? What can we eat? Oh, run away. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.